bringing serenity on Miss Drama TV. You already know.
Man, it's your boy Ron Browse, aka the Eat the Boy. Y'all watching Miss Drama TV. You know it's Rama around, she's around. Holla at your boy.
Yo, it's your man Jump Up Joe Beasy, 1/4 of the Slaughter King of New Jersey. Now checking out Miss Drama TV at Mouse Button. Hey, don't mind the shirt. It's a uniform thing for the bowling league. Don't get it fucked up. Out.
Right now, you with the legendary DJ Marley Marl. You know what you watching? It's Drama TV. That's seeing too much right now.
It's your one only Drama Queen. We're here officially with The Dream. He's here to support music, VH1. He's one of the celebrity judges here for tonight. Talk about why VH1 is important in saving the music.
Well, I think first and foremost because of where I came from. I've been in music, and I've been in the music program since 3rd grade. I played the trumpet, of course, and I know what it's done for me and how far advanced I am because of it. So hopefully everybody doesn't have to look into just becoming doctors and lawyers, and we understand the other side of the brain is about music, and music actually it's a soundtrack to our lives. So hopefully everybody understands that why we need music and why it's so evident to not steal it and just to save it and try to hold on to what it really means to us. So that's what it means to me.
All right, now talk a little bit about, now recently, we know you have an album coming up.
Right.
Talk a little bit about that, and some singles actually, or some music was released. Talk a little bit about that and kind of your animation on Twitter.
Well, my animation on Twitter is basically out of love and frustration. I would hate to see any writer or journalist that is 1/3 away from completing their story and having that story leaked. I would hate to see Picasso start to paint and somebody release something that they have. So I don't mind really whether my records end up on the internet, but I do mind if it's not finished and it's being judged before it's finished. So just to straighten that point up, that's more so what my concern is that I'm putting great music out there and that you're not receiving a part of my product that isn't finished yet. And of course I got an album coming out June 29th, Love King, make sure you go and get it.
And talk a little bit about, now people have been a little controversy in regards to some of the music that you put out there. Talk about the Aaliyah cover.
The Aaliyah cover, that's my girl, that's my heart. Nobody would ever, well, you know, like you can't please everybody. I'm not God and I'm not Jesus, so I don't deal with my everyday dealings in trying to please everybody. I try to please the children that I put in this world, and I try to please the people that rely on me, and that's the people that work on my staff at Radio Killer Records. Everybody else is here and there, you know, it's 50-50, and I understand that. But just like you love Aaliyah, I love Aaliyah also, and I have now created a thing for myself I think that if anybody deserves to sing anything that she's done, it's me. Am I gonna sing it exactly how she sang it? Of course not, it's Aaliyah, you know, so I'm good with that.
Now after this, there's another album you said, right?
Nope, there's not another album. This is it. Nobody appreciates music, so I'm out. I'm good.
Okay.
So take that. Like Jay said, maybe y'all remember me when I fade to black. So it's out.